So today we're working on an interesting project. We're pulling down this wall here, and what it is we have plant 3 over back here, and we're going to put a conveyor up in the air, and that conveyor is going to go from plant 3, come on into here and drop the material. We're going to put a pit conveyor here that's going to be feeding the equipment. So what we want is we want the pile from all the material that we make in plant 3 to come up through that wall up here, up high, and it's going to drop the pile here, and we'll put some concrete blocks up against this wall. But I wanted to open up this space here, so we're going to rip this wall down and make that happen, so I have a straight run into plant 3, and then we can feed plant 2 on this side. Alrighty, so that only took about 20 minutes or so. A little rough at start at the beginning, but once I got a line going across the top, then I was able just to push it over, and then we got a couple big chunks in here. So I'm gonna use the skid steer, and we got a rubble dumpster out back, so we're gonna get rid of this, and then I'll get up on the lift with the jackhammer and get those loose ones there. So I gotta work around the power box here, but alrighty, well, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Happy Friday.